Morning, Wolverines. Today's lab is we're going to do an Ohms Law lab using Circuit Constructor Kit website. So here's the content language objectives for today. It's basically to learn what the relationship of Ohms Law is. It's the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. So to do that, we're going to, here's our first slide. Here's basically what the Ohms Law is. There's the electronic formula for it. Make sure you get your starter quiz done. Okay, here's the Canvas assignment. On the Canvas assignment, along the top where I wrote click here, click there, and it takes you to the Circuit Constructor site website. On that website, click on the right thing that says lab. It comes up like this. First thing you need to do is drag in a battery and a resistor. Bring those in. Next thing you need to do is bring in the voltmeter. The voltmeter is on the right side. You also want to drag in the rectangular form of an ammeter. Once you have those in, now you're ready to connect the circuit up. Here's the circuit you connect. It's the battery, the resistor, the ammeter, and a couple of wires. To do the wires, you drag that in and connect one end, and then take the other end and drag it to where you want to connect it to. Try it out, and say you'll get the hang of it. So this is the circuit we want to build. Once we have this circuit built, we want to connect the voltmeter to it. Just like this, so you see the voltage and the current display. Once you have this set up, click on the battery, and the battery voltage adjuster will appear along the bottom. This is what you're going to be using for doing this lab today. First thing I want you to do is move it all the way to the left. It'll go all the way to 0 volts. And notice the current and the voltage display are both 0. And then I want you to slide it slowly to the right and see what happens with the voltage and current. And what you need to do now is slide it slowly left and right and watch the relationship between the voltage and the current. See if you can figure out what it is. That's the entire assignment for today. Good luck, Wolverines. See you next time.